Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Sewing Kits is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any crafting enthusiast, from beginners tackling their first project to experienced sewers working on intricate designs. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect sewing kit based on your skill level, project needs, and budget, ensuring you have all the necessary tools to create your next masterpiece. We will explore various kits, comparing features, quality, and value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Coquimbo Sewing Kit. This kit has all the essentials for basic sewing repairs. It includes needles, thread, scissors, and more, all neatly organized. It's designed for easy use, nothing falls out, and the needles are safely stored. Everything is securely held in place. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or keeping in your bag. You'll always be prepared for minor repairs. It's a thoughtful gift for travelers, moms, grandmas, or anyone who appreciates a practical and useful item. It's great for both men and women. We're confident you'll love it. If not, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like? It has everything you need for basic repairs, neatly organized so you won't lose anything. The compact design makes it perfect for travel or keeping in your bag. If you're looking for a well-organized and portable sewing kit for everyday use, this is the one for you. What people say. Its compact size is wonderful. The quality seems great. I like everything about this little sewing kit. It's basically a kit for small jobs and it will suffice for what it's expected to do and has everything a person would need to replace a button, sew a ripped seam, etc. in a pinch, straight pins, large safety pins 9, sewing needles, needle threader, seam ripper, scissors that resemble manicure scissors, spare snaps and buttons, and a tape measure. If one needs to travel with a mending kit, this one is pretty compact when zipped up, about an inch thick and about 4x6. Number 4. ARTIKA Sewing Kit. It has all the essentials for basic repairs. You'll find colorful thread, needles, scissors, and more, perfect for home or travel. It's designed for convenience. The case is easy to open, the thread is strong, and the scissors cut smoothly. Even beginners will find it simple to use. Needles are safely stored, and everything is secured with elastic straps. It's compact enough for a desk, suitcase, or backpack. Use it to mend clothes, create crafts, or teach your kids to sew. It's perfect for simple repairs or creative projects. It makes a thoughtful present for anyone who sews, from beginners to experienced crafters. It's practical and useful for so many people. What we like? This kit boasts an impressive number of pieces and a wide variety of thread colors. It's great for both beginners and kids who want to explore their creativity. If you need a comprehensive kit with lots of options and want to share the fun of sewing with your children, this is a great choice. What people say. It's nice and compact, but there is a place for everything. I especially like that it came equipped with a seam ripper, darning needle, a threader, extra buttons, and straight pins, 2 different varieties. It is actually even better than my kit that I've been adding things to for years. It has all the basics that you would need to do simple sewing repairs such as sewing on buttons. It includes plenty of needles and colored threads. The scissors are tight and sharp and easily cut the thread. The assortment of threads in every color imaginable, tape measure, seam ripper on and on. Great value for the very low price. Amazing good quality of every enclosed item and certainly enough needles, pens etc. Number 3. ARTIKA Sewing Kit. It's small enough to take anywhere. This handy kit comes with its own case, keeping everything neatly organized for travel or on-the-go repairs. It has all the essentials for sewing projects big or small. You'll find threads, needles, scissors, and more, perfect for beginners and experienced sewers alike. No special skills needed. It's simple to use for quick fixes, whether it's a loose button or a small tear. Anyone can use it. This kit is built to last. The sturdy zippered case protects your supplies, ensuring they're always ready when you need them. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit makes a wonderful gift for sewers of all skill levels. It's practical and useful. What we like? With even more supplies than the last, and a durable case to protect everything, this kit is built to last. It's also incredibly easy to use, even for complete beginners. If you value durability and ease of use, and want a kit that will last, this is the perfect option. What people say. It's nice and compact, but there is a place for everything. I especially liked that it came equipped with a seam ripper, darning needle, a threader, extra buttons, and straight pins, 2 different varieties. It is actually even better than my kit that I've been adding things to for years. It has all the basics that you would need to do simple sewing repairs such as sewing on buttons. It includes plenty of needles and colored threads. The scissors are tight and sharp and easily cut the thread. The assortment of threads in every color imaginable, tape measure, seam ripper, on and on. Great value for the very low price. Amazing God quality of every enclosed item and certainly enough needles, pens, etc. Number 2. Juning Sewing Kit. It has everything for basic repairs, needles, threads, scissors, and more. Keep it handy for quick fixes anytime, anywhere. The straps keep everything organized, so you'll always find what you need. No more hunting for lost sewing supplies. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel. Repair clothes, toys, or anything else you need to mend. It's stylish and portable, so you can take it with you everywhere. Perfect for on-the-go repairs. It makes a great present for moms, grandmas, friends, or anyone who loves crafting. It's a gift that will be used and appreciated. We're committed to providing high-quality products. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This kit includes all the essentials for quick fixes, and the smart design keeps everything secure and easy to find. It's perfect for anyone who wants a convenient and reliable sewing kit. If you prioritize organization and ease of access to your sewing supplies, this is the kit for you. What people say. It comes with everything you could possibly need for both basic and more advanced repairs. The variety of high-quality threads, needles, and accessories is impressive, and the compact case keeps everything neatly organized and easy to find. The compact blue case is not only stylish but also durable and well-organized. It's the perfect size to store all the essentials, making it easy to carry or keep at home for any quick mending or DIY projects. The kit itself is packed with high-quality tools, including a wide range of thread colors, needles, scissors, tape measure, and other essentials. The needles are sturdy, the scissors are sharp, and the assortment of buttons and safety pins is incredibly handy. Number 1. Vellostar Sewing Kit. It's frustrating when clothes rip or buttons fall off. This handy kit makes quick fixes easy, anytime, anywhere. Everything you need is right here. Needles, thread, and all the essentials are included for simple repairs. Whether you're a sewing pro or a complete beginner, it's simple to use. Perfect for small repairs and alterations. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? This kit is perfect for moms, grandmas, students, or anyone who loves crafting. Keep it in your purse, your car, or your sewing box. It's small enough to take anywhere, so you're always prepared. Say goodbye to frustrating clothing mishaps. This kit empowers you to mend clothes quickly and easily. What we like. It's perfect for those quick fixes, containing everything you need in one convenient kit. It's designed to be user-friendly for all skill levels. If you need a simple, easy-to-use kit for quick repairs on the go, this is a great option. What people say. This travel sewing kit is a lifesaver. Compact yet comprehensive, it includes everything needed for on-the-go repairs, needles, threads in various colors, scissors, buttons, pins, a tape measure, and a seam ripper. The sturdy case keeps everything organized, and the quality is impressive for its size. It has everything you need for both small repairs and more detailed sewing projects. The quality of the tools is excellent, scissors are sharp, needles are sturdy, and the thread assortment is great for any project. I also love that the kit comes in a compact, organized case, making it easy to keep everything neatly stored and accessible. This kit is great. It has everything I need for my basic sewing repair jobs. The selection of thread colors is pretty good, and it all comes nicely packaged in a zippered pouch, which is perfect for storage and keeping everything organized. The scissor is sharp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.